control and I won't even take you to jail.
I'll tell you what, you take the $10 and go to the dance.
What dance? I'm dancing. Yeah, I'm dancing. Wait a minute. I am the sheriff. You can't do that to me.
Why not?
But because I'm the sheriff.
That don't mean nothing to me.
Yeah, well.
Now look, I don't want to shoot you on your first day. Just walk away. You're not fast enough to take me.
How do you know I'm not fast enough to take you?
For $3, you can't be too quick.
Let's see about that. Hang on a minute here. Now I need y'all to support your local sheriff, because I'm going to get myself in trouble. You know I can take him, don't you?
Yeah!
Ain't like that.
Wait a minute.
Feeling better already?
I hope you do better than that. You're going to take him right. That was terrible. Okay.
All right.
You asked for it.
Now, before we get started, you are that outlaw Willie fella, right?
That's me.
Yeah, that poster in there says you're supposed to be a really good shot.
I am a good shot.
Well, if you're that good a shot, do me a favor.
What?
Hit me dead center.
Right here?
Yeah, I just want to get it over with quick. I don't need laying around the bed and all that stuff. That's just get it over with. Get it done. All right. Somebody say draw. Draw. All right. Ow, that hurt. Shoot. Is he dead? All right. Yeah. All right. You know, I told him I'd see the poster before I come down here. Yeah. I just don't get that well for him. Before we go, we want to welcome y'all to Oatman, Arizona. We are the Oatman Outlaws. Thank you.
Thank you, folks. Please, if you'd like to drop $1 or $2.50, help us up to try this, because it goes for a great cause. Like I said, we don't get paid to do this. We do it because we love you.